Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am testing some alcohol inks. So I made up some resin and I got these cute molds and I hope I have enough left. This is the laminating resin by Sam. It is quite cold in here, so I'm hoping that it's actually gonna work what I've been thinking about. I want to make some petri dish earrings. I saw Julie do this on her channel, Pouring Out Your Heart, and I loved it. I really want to try if it works. So I've got three, oh, whoopsie. So I got three colors. I got a green, a blue, and a white. That should give me what I need. So let's see if I can get these molds to fill up. The moment I started filming, a storm came up. So that's why it's really dark in here. And I have no studio lights, so I put on the flash on my phone. So I'm really hoping that it doesn't screw with the quality of the video too much. Hopefully tomorrow for the unmolding we get a little bit more luck. I think this one is too high. I'm just gonna fill up another one. Just in case. Let's torch those. Okay. It's almost to the edge. I think that will work. So let's shake this up. Open it. This is the green, and I punctured the hole. Let's do that one too, just for fun. And this is the blue. Oh no, no. It's flowing to the other one. Okay. How can I save this? Probably just scoop it out. Oh, sorry about the mess, guys. Haven't done this before, so let's try and see if this will work. So add some blue. God, it's hard to get the drops out. I'm shaking so bad. Let's see, and then I'm gonna shake up the white. And drop that on. Looks like I've got a little bit of leakage on this one. Probably overfilled it. Okay, well that's what it is. Just add a little bit more color. A little bit more white. I don't know if this is gonna work. I'm making such a mess. Let's just see how this works. I'm not sure if I did it correctly, but hopefully we can make something out of it. Let's just put it to the side and let it cure. Cover it up so we don't get too much fuzz in it. And we'll see you when it's cured. It's the next day. I'm so excited. I couldn't wait. So let's unmold. Let's start with the ones that I know failed. So let's try and see what this one did. Not really good. Oh, they're coming out nice. It did drop. Let's do a big one. Oh, I'm a bit impatient. They're not fully cured yet, so they're a little bit soft. I did do something. Let's put a little light under it. You can see that something did happen. It's not really what I expected. But for a first try, I'm really happy. Let's take this one out. Kind of the same. Maybe more color, less white. Pretty though. So I'll show you them when I made some earrings out of them. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye everyone!